Okay, hello there and welcome. It's Amanda here. Welcome to the art collaboration. So I'm part of a monthly art collaboration and we all work on a particular theme. There's a variety each month and we come up with a journal page. So I've taken the one of the words was owl, and I've been messing about with these owls in stitch projects. So I wanted to, as I'd painted these, I wanted to incorporate them on this page. Now this journal is what I do each month with the journals is I take papers that I create, and I thought I'd share quickly the papers that I've created for this month. This is on my free tier, this is on my $3 tier, and this is on my $10 tier on Patreon. So you're quite welcome to come and download the papers and use them in your creative projects. But when I haven't specifically used the papers in a creative project, I will put them in here and then I'll work around that page. So the page that I was looking at, where is it? See, and then I just add, as I'm working in terms of other things and I've got excess paint, I'll put it in one of these journals. And so it's deciding which one to use. And this one kind of appealed to me because it had the word of creativity on it as well. Anyway, so the other things I've taken out is I've got some gesso. I recently bought some gesso and it's really nice, thick and anyway, creamy. So I'm going to work on this page, and what you'll see is as it is now, and you'll see it transformed. I'm not sure whether I will keep this word or not, but I want to transform it, and that's what I do. Every now and again I'll take a page and I'll just work on it and take it somewhere else. So the other thing I've done is just taken out a selection, let me move my phone, a selection of paints. Some of them are half empty, it would seem. Anyway, so I thought I'd restrict myself and just use what I've got. And sometimes you need to do that. Sometimes you don't need like a whole range of art supplies to do some creativity. Yeah. So limited supply. These are already covered, but they may not stay as is. So we're just gonna play, okay? So I think the first thing I'll do is I'll mute some of this using the gesso because that's got to have time to dry. I'm gonna use a card, so I'm just gonna add a thin layer. And yeah, we'll just get on and enjoy. So I hope that whatever you're doing, that you find time to be creative. There are other creatives on, artists on the blog hop. There are other artists on the video hop, and I've linked them below so you can go and see what prompt they've chosen and how they choose to work on it. Okay, so let us get started. Once upon a dark starry night, high up in the trees, adorned with flowers, whispering words of love, creativity and joy, sat a unique pink owl with spots. This owl, though bright and beautiful, often felt uncertain about its place in the world. As it perched there, it reflected on its journey, realizing that its uniqueness was its greatest gift. And in that moment, it began to embrace itself, finding joy in its own creativity. It realized that its uniqueness wasn't something to hide, but something to celebrate. It knew that every creature, just like every person, has its own special qualities that makes it shine. So as it embraced its own creativity and joy, it encouraged everyone watching to do the same, to celebrate their own uniqueness and let their creativity shine bright.